international educator.
Hello students, today I'm teaching chemistry from 2, lesson 2. Our topic of interest today is structure of the atom and the periodic table. Our subtopic today is the periodic table. Let's look at the lesson objectives. By the end of the lesson today, the learner should be able to write the electronic arrangement of the first 20 elements. The learner should also be able to identify the group and the period of the first 20 elements. And finally, the learner should be able to draw the atomic structure of an element. Let's look at the energy level and electronic arrangement. Energy levels are regions surrounding the nucleus that are occupied by electrons. And electrons in the same energy level have the same amount of energy. And that is why we call those regions that are occupied by electrons as energy level, because they contain electrons with the same amount of energy. In an atom, we have the nucleus, as can be shown here. We have the nucleus, and within the surrounding the nucleus, we have the energy levels. These energy levels, this is nucleus. This is the nucleus. We have the energy levels. We have the energy level 1, energy level 2, and energy level 3. So now, the energy levels are numbered from the one nearest to the nucleus. So the energy level that is closest to the nucleus is the energy level 1, followed by energy level 2, energy level 3, and the chain continues energy level 4 all the way to energy level even 7. Let's look at now, before we go to that, we look at now, and we are saying that now each energy level, if it's energy level 1, it has the maximum, we have the maximum number of electrons that can be occupied by energy level 1. And the maximum electron that can be occupied by energy level 1 is 2 electrons. This can only occupy a maximum of 2 electrons. The second energy level can occupy a maximum of 8 electrons. And the third energy level can occupy a maximum also of 8 electrons. But it is important to note that I can also show it on the screen, as shown on that particular screen again, as you can be able to see from that particular end that the diagram of the screen, that now the first energy level can occupy a maximum of 2 electrons. The second energy level can occupy a maximum of 8, and the third one is can also occupy a maximum of 8 electrons. But there is something that is very much important for the student to be able to understand, that this scenario is only true for the first 20 elements. This arrangement only applies to the first 20 elements. So let's now look at examples of electron arrangement in elements. We start with the first element, and that is hydrogen. And hydrogen has only 1 electron. So let's look at from the diagram of the screen. We have hydrogen there. We having it has only 1 energy level, and we can be able to see there is only the electronic configuration is 1, and there is only 1 electron that can be accommodated by hydrogen atom. Let's look at helium, which is the second atom. It has also 1 energy level, and it contains 2 electrons. Let's see how they are distributed in that diagram as shown on the screen. Let's look at our third element, which is lithium. And lithium has 2 energy levels. The configuration of lithium is 2-1. Let's see how the electrons are arranged. We have the first 2 electrons occupying the first energy level, and the remaining 1 electrons occupying the second energy level. We are looking at lithium. Lithium has 3 protons, is atomic number 3. So having those 3 protons, it also has 3 electrons. Let's see how they are distributed. We have the first energy level, which can only accommodate 2 electrons, as shown from there. So the electrons that are remaining here are only 1. So the first energy level can only occupy a maximum of 2 electrons. So after the first energy level is filled up with electrons, the remaining 1 electron goes to the second energy level.